Yes, my people, big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing go. Check out Big Bamboo Entertainment. I don't know. One of the realest thing right now. Just for the lady them who interested, the XX something there. Movie star thing. Alright. Well, people, here we go on now. Zine, I'm not joking about this now, people. It's a really serious thing and a news reach new link. About some local school youth now from Jamaica, right? Because everybody who watch soccer, everybody must know this. Jamaica have them high school league where they have the Manning Cup and they have the Dacaster Cup. When they do found these champions or these top players in these competition, people, they do build up a team from Jamaica to represent the country. You understand? So then go in America and go play with a different set of high school who is champion from that county, the other part, and them something there. So they have a set of Jamaica young man from both the Manning Cup and Dacaster Cup team who entered over Fort Lauderdale now, people, to take part in a competition. And to tell now people, two Jamaican, you understand, college student, Jamaica college student people found themselves behind bars for stealing, for thieving in first degree. You understand, people? Yeah, two. And me I tell you, say, one of the picture is one of the young man, and I can't believe, you know what I mean? After these young men get the chance to go overseas, represent Jamaica. Jamaica them go for representing our people, and this, a thief them go thief. Look at that, honestly. These are soccer player. Yeah, oh, this look at them file now. These you ain't thinking or when me have to say, yo, what if I lie them I tell upon them youth about them say this is strong proof and one of the youth must say plead guilty to it and everything and they have strong proof, keep camera see everything when they do the thiefness and everything. Yo, them youth not think. Serious thing. Them thing I make Jamaica look bad. In at the end now, when you hear now a next set of youth from the school thing for go up there now, you know what them are think? Why them boy are thief, you know? You know these are thief. You remember what the other one did do the last time? You can't trust them, you know. Them always got have eyes on we. And we don't know say we Jamaicans, we are so good, we are great people, you understand? And everywhere you go, you will find thief, you will find bad people, you will find gunmen, you will find criminal, all sorts of something. But when we do have people who represent the country on a national level and them go do things like this, they make things look bad by everyone away. So you will have a blast attack. You me have a blast it, even though you are now 18, but you do something wrong. So you still go get the attack. It's totally wrong. You get me? I say stealing is not part. The Bible tell you thou shalt not steal. You get a chance if you go represent our country in soccer. We not do so good. Because if you never do good enough, they would take you from Jamaica go over there. You know there's so much school on both sides, the Dacaster Cup and the Manning Cup. And them choose about 15 to 20 players, people, if you go up there, right? And check out how much hundreds of students. And at the end, this is what you do get yourself, you know? You make things look bad. You make things look you disappoint Jamaica College because I see where the college has apologized, even though they're trying to keep it down, people and them no want, but it done out there already because we don't read them thing upon how much news thing, and it's just terrible, man. Honestly, people, Jano Star, I can't believe. See, don't know the thing of people. This is New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack. Remember, do follow me on IG, follow me on Instagram, New Link _production, official. And remember, subscribe to New Link. Big Bamboo Entertainment. Check them out, people. All Jamaican who ready to be a movie star in an adult entertainment XXX. This is 100% safe guarantee, people. Not joking because I don't know no link date, you know. My people, we have to secure them, and so nobody that, you know, so nobody got think different. I say, one day for the traffic of them now. Them people are good people, them great. Because you don't have no choices, you understand? You don't have no choices. So you don't know the thing of people. Peace, love, respect, stay good, stay blessed. I'm not support thief, I'm gone.